Paragraph on my dream of life. Life is full of dreams. They are very important in human life. Dreams are the reflection of human desires. They lead us to our goals and achievements. They determine the way to success, happiness, and peace of mind. They are part and parcel of human life. I also have a dream. My dream is to become a doctor. You'd ask why? Yes, let me tell you the reasons for this. A doctor is a very social fellow. He interacts with people belonging to all social classes and gets known to the surroundings. Despite all this, a doctor is a servant of the humans. He brings ease and comfort to the hurt and the injured. He serves the sick and cures the ailments. No doubt, it is a good source of earning, but it also brings happiness and contentment to the doctor. I want to serve and cure the poor, the crippled and the downtrodden that have nothing to buy back their health. My vision is to devote my life for this sacred profession and to bring fair name to my parents, as they have taught me love and respect for humans. Therefore, there may not be a better choice to serve humanity besides being a doctor if lust for wealth and materialistic gain is put aside. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.